Hi everyone! Today we are starting a new playlist where we'll be testing not only hi-fi and high-end systems but also compact lifestyle devices. This time we are recording the sound of 3 Bang & Olufsen Bluetooth speakers. If you like our videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps us grow.
My romance doesn't have to have a moon in the sky. My romance doesn't need a blue lagoon standing by. No month of May, no twinkling stars, no hideaway, and no soft guitars. My romance doesn't need a castle rising in Spain. My romance doesn't have to have a moon in the sky. My romance doesn't need a blue lagoon standing by. No month of May, no twinkling stars, no hideaway, and no soft guitars. My romance doesn't need a castle rising in Spain, nor my romance doesn't have to have a moon in the sky. My romance doesn't need a blue lagoon standing by. No month of May, no twinkling stars, no hideaway, and no soft guitars. My romance doesn't need a castle rising in Spain.